Hi, it's Dr. Boden with the Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. The patient I'd like to present today is a fellow named Michael. He is in his late 50s, always bothered by his hair loss since he first noticed it, kicking in his 30s. He's got very steep recession and he's got some thinning in the middle. And he also got thinning in the back, so he would be a Norwood 5. And he's in the public eye. His work involves patient care, and he was motivated to get his hairline back. We did over 2,000 follicles, strengthened the front and the middle. He's got the advantage of somewhat wavy hair. With one FUT procedure, he also is on medication to help support his existing hair. He's taking oral finasteride, he's on a topical high-strength minoxidil lotion. He's holding steady. He may do another procedure in the future if he's so inclined, but he feels pretty good about where he is now. Thanks for your attention. It's Dr. Boden, Hair Restoration Center of Connecticut. Thank you.